Welcome back to Verbi Italiani Facili 10 alla volta. Today we're diving into 10 more Christmas-themed Italian verbs to bring some holiday spirit to your vocabulary. Ready? Let's go! First up we have invitare, which means to invite. Abbiamo invitato amici e vicini per festeggiare la vigilia di Natale. We invited friends and neighbors to celebrate Christmas Eve. Christmas, it's all about community, so why not invite everyone to share the joy? Then we have sorprendere, to surprise. Quest'anno voglio sorprendere i miei cari con dei regali fatti a mano. This year, I want to surprise my loved ones with handmade gifts. The best gifts come from the heart, and surprising someone with a homemade present makes it extra special. Coming up, we have abbracciare, which means to hug. Durante le feste natalizie ci abbracciamo tutti per scambiarci gli auguri. During the Christmas holidays, we hug each other to exchange well wishes. Then we have sognare, to dream. Everyone has Christmas dreams, big or small. I have an example here which goes by: Da bambino sognavo sempre di vedere la neve la mattina di Natale. As a child, I always dreamed of seeing snow on Christmas morning. Then we have riposare, which means to rest. Dopo giorni di preparativi, finalmente possiamo riposare e goderci le feste. After days of preparation, we can finally rest and enjoy the holidays. Christmas is a time to recharge and simply enjoy the moment. I hope you can take it easy and relax. Then we have riempire, to fill. I bambini sperano che Babbo Natale riempia le calze appese al camino. The children hope that Santa fills the stocking hanging by the fireplace. Coming up we have preparare, which means to prepare. Abbiamo preparato una cena speciale con piatti tipici delle feste natalizie. We prepared a special dinner with traditional Christmas dishes. Then we have riunirsi, to gather. È una tradizione riunirsi tutti insieme per il pranzo di Natale. It's a tradition to gather everyone together for Christmas lunch. Nothing beats the warmth of family gatherings, sharing stories and laughter around the table. Then we have aspettare, to wait for. I bambini non vedono l'ora di aspettare l'arrivo di Babbo Natale. The kids can wait for Santa's arrival. Finally, we have appendere, to hang. Abbiamo appeso le calze di Natale al camino. We hung the Christmas stockings on the fireplace. Stockings, ornaments, lights, Italian love to appendere decorations everywhere. There you have it. 10 Italian Christmas verbs to bring some holiday magic to your Italian journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments what's your famous Christmas tradition. Buon Natale a tutti!